Ever notice how one tiny bike accessory can be the difference between parking with confidence or picking your bicycle up off the ground? Most riders don't think twice about their kickstand until it fails at the worst possible moment. Stick around, because we're counting down 5 of the best bicycle kickstands that deliver rock-solid stability, easy installation, and serious value. And if you want to compare prices or check out any of these picks later, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description. Now, let's get started. Number 5. BUCKLOS QY51097ZZ Bicycle Kickstand. Have you ever leaned your bike against a wall, only to watch it slowly tip over a few seconds later? It might seem like a small inconvenience until you're staring at fresh scratches on your frame or a bent brake lever. That's exactly why a quality kickstand is one of those upgrades you don't realize you need until you finally have one. The BUCKLOS Adjustable Aluminum Bicycle Kickstand is a simple accessory, but it adds a surprising amount of convenience to everyday riding. Whether you're commuting to work, stopping for coffee, running errands, or taking a break during a long trail ride, you'll appreciate being able to park your bike almost anywhere without searching for a wall or laying it on the ground. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. It fits bikes from 24-inch all the way up to 29-inch mountain bikes, including many 700C road bikes. The adjustable length lets you fine-tune the bike's lean angle for better stability, making it much more practical than many fixed-length kickstands. Even better, BUCKLOS combines a lightweight aluminum alloy body with a sturdy reinforced design. The durable rivet connection, protective frame padding, and textured non-slip foot all work together to keep your bike standing securely, even on uneven surfaces. Another feature riders will appreciate is the quick adjustment button, allowing you to change the height easily if you switch tire sizes or simply want a different parking angle. Installation is straightforward, although you'll need your own hex wrench since one isn't included. You can also choose between a single-point or double-point mounting system, with the double-point version offering extra stability for riders carrying heavier gear. Of course, it's not perfect. Some lightweight racing bikes aren't designed for kickstands, and certain specialty frames may require checking compatibility before buying. Still, considering its durability, adjustability, and dependable performance, it's easy to see why so many riders recommend the BUCKLOS kickstand. If you're tired of leaning your bike against walls or risking it falling over every time you stop, this is a simple upgrade that's well worth considering. Number 4. Qiilu Portable Double Kickstand. Most riders think any kickstand will do, until they load their bike with groceries, camping gear, or panniers and suddenly find it lying on the ground. That's when you realize there's a big difference between a kickstand that simply props up your bike and one that truly keeps it stable. If security and balance matter to you, the Qiilu Portable Double Kickstand is definitely worth a closer look. Unlike traditional single-leg kickstands that force your bike to lean to one side, this model uses a dual-leg design that keeps the bike standing much more upright. That extra stability makes a huge difference when carrying heavy loads or parking on uneven surfaces. Whether you're commuting, touring, or just making a quick stop, you'll feel much more confident leaving your bike unattended. The kickstand is made from thick, durable aluminum alloy, giving it a solid feel without adding excessive weight. It's built to handle daily use and fits a wide range of bicycles, including 24-inch through 29-inch mountain bikes, hybrids, and many road bikes. One of its best features is the adjustable height. Since every bike has slightly different geometry, you can easily fine-tune the stand for the ideal parking angle. The wide anti-slip feet also provide excellent grip on concrete, asphalt, gravel, and other uneven surfaces, reducing the risk of your bike tipping over. Another advantage many riders don't expect is how useful it is during maintenance. Because the bike stays more balanced, tasks like cleaning the chain, adjusting the drivetrain, or loading bags become much easier and more convenient. Of course, there are a couple of trade-offs. The double-leg design is slightly bulkier than a standard kickstand, and your bike needs compatible mounting points for installation. Riders focused on saving every ounce of weight may also prefer a simpler single-leg option. Even so, customer feedback has been extremely positive. Buyers frequently praise its sturdy construction, easy installation, and dependable stability. Some even recommend adding an extra locking nut for additional security, but most agree it feels solid right out of the box. If you're looking for maximum stability instead of the lightest setup possible, the Qiilu Portable Double Kickstand is an upgrade you'll appreciate every time you park your bike. Number 3. ROCKBROS JC07 Folding Bicycle Kickstand. If you own a folding bike, you already know that finding the right accessories isn't always easy. Many standard kickstands are designed for full-size bikes, so they can look bulky, add unnecessary weight, or even interfere with the folding mechanism. That's exactly why the ROCKBROS JC07 folding bicycle kickstand stands out from the competition. Instead of trying to fit every type of bicycle, this kickstand is purpose-built for 16-inch folding bikes, including many Brompton-style models with compatible mounting holes. That focused design allows it to integrate much more cleanly with compact bikes while maintaining a sleek, factory-installed appearance. One of the first things you'll appreciate is just how lightweight it is. Weighing only about 122 grams, it adds virtually no noticeable weight to your bike. Despite its lightweight design, the aluminum alloy construction feels impressively solid and durable, making it more than capable of handling everyday commuting and regular use. A feature that really sets this model apart is its clever 3-point support system. Once deployed, the kickstand works together with both wheels to create a stable triangular base. This provides far more confidence when parking on sidewalks, train platforms, or outside cafes, reducing the chances of your bike tipping over. The spring-loaded folding mechanism is another thoughtful touch. It locks securely into position, helping prevent accidental folding while the bike is parked. It may require a little more effort to operate than cheaper alternatives, but that added resistance actually contributes to its secure, premium feel. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly. ROCKBROS includes the necessary screws and installation wrench, so if your bike has the correct mounting points, you'll likely have everything installed within minutes. The included 1-year warranty also provides extra peace of mind. Of course, compatibility is the biggest limitation. This kickstand is specifically designed for certain folding bikes and isn't intended for standard mountain bikes, hybrids, or road bikes. Some riders with non-standard mounting holes have also needed minor adjustments during installation. Even with those limitations, owners consistently praise its sturdy construction, lightweight design, and dependable stability. If you ride a compatible folding bike and want a kickstand that feels like it was designed specifically for your bike instead of being an afterthought, the ROCKBROS JC07 is an excellent choice. Number 2. BAICHIGANTOU Bicycle Kickstand. Here's something many cyclists don't realize until they've gone through a few cheap kickstands. Strength matters just as much as convenience. A kickstand that bends, slips, or starts wobbling after a few months isn't saving you money, it's putting your bike at risk. That's exactly why the BAICHIGANTOU adjustable bicycle kickstand earns the number 2 spot on our list. Designed with durability in mind, this kickstand is made for riders who need dependable support. Whether you ride a mountain bike, folding bike, electric bike, snow bike, or a daily commuter, it's built to handle heavier bicycles without feeling weak or unstable. If your bike carries cargo, accessories, or a battery pack, you'll appreciate the added confidence every time you park. The first thing that stands out is its reinforced aluminum alloy construction. Instead of focusing only on lightweight performance, BAICHIGANTOU emphasizes long-lasting strength. The thickened oval aluminum tube, heavy-duty support structure, and reinforced riveted joints work together to resist bending, flexing, and everyday wear. The result is a kickstand that feels solid and dependable every time you use it. Another feature riders will appreciate is its adjustable height. It fits bikes ranging from 22 to 29 inches, allowing you to fine-tune the lean angle for maximum stability. That simple adjustment makes parking safer and more secure on everything from smooth pavement to uneven gravel paths. The oversized textured rubber foot is another thoughtful addition. Its anti-slip design creates a larger contact area with the ground, giving your bike extra grip and reducing the chance of slipping. There's also a protective rubber gasket where the kickstand meets the frame, helping prevent scratches during installation and everyday use. Now, there is one trade-off. Because it's built with durability as the priority, it's a little heavier than some lightweight racing-style kickstands. For performance cyclists, that extra weight might not be ideal. But for electric bikes, mountain bikes, and full-size commuters, the additional strength is well worth it. Customer reviews consistently praise the easy installation, rugged construction, and excellent value for the money. Many owners say it takes only a few minutes to install, while others mention that it's one of the sturdiest kickstands they've ever owned. Some even transferred it to another bike because they were so impressed with its performance. If you're looking for a kickstand that's built to last, offers excellent adjustability, and keeps your bike standing securely every time you stop, the BAICHIGANTOU adjustable bicycle kickstand is a reliable choice and a well-deserved runner-up on our list. Number 1. MTB Bicycle Kickstand. Sometimes the best bike accessory isn't the one with the most features, it's the one you actually remember to bring with you. Think about it. What happens when your bike doesn't have mounting points for a traditional kickstand? Most riders end up leaning it against a wall, laying it on the ground, or hoping it doesn't fall over. That's exactly why this clever little design takes the top spot. Instead of permanently attaching to your bike, this portable MTB Bicycle Kickstand works as a compact support that you can carry with you and use whenever you need it. It's a surprisingly simple idea, but once you try it, you start wondering why more cyclists don't use one. What really makes this stand different is its versatility. It's designed to work with both road bikes and mountain bikes, making it an excellent solution for riders whose bikes simply weren't built to accept a frame-mounted kickstand. Whether you're stopping at a cafe, taking photos during a ride, or making a quick repair on the trail, you'll always have a reliable way to keep your bike standing upright. The triangular support design deserves a lot of credit here. Rather than depending on a single contact point, it creates a much more stable support system that distributes the bike's weight evenly. Combined with the reinforced anti-slip foot, it grips pavement, dirt, and other uneven surfaces surprisingly well, reducing the chances of your bike slipping or tipping over. Here's the part that impressed me the most. There's no complicated installation process. When you need it, simply position the crank, insert the support, rotate it into place, and your bike is standing securely in just a few seconds. When you're ready to ride again, it packs away just as quickly into a backpack or cargo bag without adding permanent weight or clutter to your bike. Of course, there is one trade-off to mention. Since it's a portable stand, you'll need to remember to carry it with you. It's not always attached to the bike like a traditional kickstand, so forgetting it at home means you're back to finding a wall or tree. But for many cyclists, especially road bike owners, that's a small compromise compared to drilling into the frame or adding a permanent mount. Customer experiences really reinforce why this product earned the #1 position. Riders love using it on bikes that can't accept regular kickstands, and many mention that it has become something they carry on every ride. Others praise its sturdy construction, solid materials, and universal compatibility across multiple bikes, making it a practical accessory instead of something limited to a single bicycle. And that's ultimately why this one stands above the rest. It solves a problem that traditional kickstands simply can't. It's portable, versatile, easy to use, and works with bikes that would otherwise have no parking solution at all. If you want the most flexible and travel-friendly option on this list, this is the kickstand I'd recommend without hesitation. Those are our picks for the 5 best bicycle kickstands available today. Whether you're looking for the best budget option, a heavy-duty model for an e-bike, or an all-around performer that delivers premium stability, one of these kickstands will help keep your bike protected every time you park. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, ride safely, and we'll see you in the next video.